It's 3:55 p.m. and you're hosting a Microsoft Teams meeting and you're a Zoom user. You have no idea what to talk about, nor are you prepared. What do you do? Thankfully, we have AI Companion integrated from the Zoom client directly into Microsoft Teams. You can see right here, my 4 p.m. meeting is coming up and it's now 3:56. Let's ask Zoom's AI Companion to actually prepare us for this Microsoft Teams meeting. As I click on it, you'll see AI Companion pop up and I could drop down the menu of choices. And the number one thing I want to do is prepare for this meeting. And thankfully, Zoom's AI Companion is there to help me because now it's given me the purpose of what this meeting is about. It's given me updates on what's happened in previous reoccurring meetings. And it's also given me tasks that were assigned in previous meetings. But I want to take it a step further. I actually want AI Companion to join me in this Microsoft Teams meeting and then be able to take notes on my behalf, as well as prepare a meeting summary from Zoom. And I could share that with everyone that's joining this Microsoft Teams meeting. And here's how we do that. So from your Zoom client, open up your Microsoft Teams meeting, drop down AI Companion, and then at the very bottom, you're going to see Invite AI Companion to this Microsoft Teams meeting. Toggle that on. And since this meeting is a reoccurring meeting with a series, I can invite AI Companion to the entire series or just this meeting. Now I've successfully added AI Companion to my Microsoft Teams meeting series. So something else I forgot to do is book a conferencing room for my 4 p.m. Teams meeting. Let's ask AI Companion to help me do that. So now AI Companion wants some more information so it can help me book a room. So let me answer it. All right, so AI Companion found me a desk on the 19th floor. I'm ready to reserve it. All right, it looks like I'm confirmed. Reservation successful. I'm ready to start my 4 p.m. Microsoft Teams meeting using all the tools from AI Companion in the Zoom client. The cool thing is I can literally start this Microsoft Teams meeting directly from Zoom just by clicking on it. Watch this. And you can see in the meeting invite, there's a Microsoft Teams one-click join button right from the Zoom calendar. Let's just click on it. And here's something really cool. Look at the right side. Zoom My Notes automatically detected that I was joining a Microsoft Teams meeting and now is taking notes on my behalf with a transcription service. Also, if I want to manually take notes, I can do that at the bottom. Now, after the meeting is over, My Notes will create a brand new Zoom doc on my behalf with all the information in it, as well as the Zoom AI Companion meeting summary. It's a super cool way to get all the notes you absolutely need right from a Microsoft Teams meeting using Zoom tools in it.